Okay. One student take one piece of paper and put. Okay. You can take one paper. Yes. Very quickly. Okay, if your number and paper is yellow, blue, sit together pair. Blue, sit. Yes, yes. What color is that? What color is that? Pink. You are pink. See here. Yes. Next one is green. See here. Yes. Okay. All students, stand up, please. Stand up. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Okay, I'm fine. Please sit down. What day is today?
Today is
Today is the 16th
16th
of what?
May.
What day?
On Tuesday.
Who can spell Tuesday? Yes.
Tuesday.
Yes, very good. Good job. Okay. Today is the 16th of May on Tuesday. Yes. Good. Okay. Look at your paper. Look at. There is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have a number? Good. Number 1, raise your hand. Number 1, raise your hand. Yes, you are number 1. You are number 1. You are. Yes. Okay. There is today's topic. Today's topic, right? Number 1, student say any letter. Any letter. Only number 1. Start. Say any letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So on. B. Sorry, there is no B. Next. A. Sorry, there is no A. S. You are number 2. You are number 1. Yes. S. Yes. Very good. There is S. Number 1. Only number 1 students say any letter. Y. Sorry, there is no Y. I or R. I. Sorry, there is no I. Say any letter. O. Yes, very good. There are 2 O's. 1 O. 2 O. There are 2 O's. Yes. L. L. Sorry, there is no L. Say. D. Yes, very good. D. Next. U. There are two U. Okay, say I. Someone said I. Another. Y. There is Y. Yes, very good. This is today's topic. Okay, all students repeat after me. Repeat. You should.
You should.
Okay, very good. Now all students write date and topic, right? On your notebook. We finish?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, listen carefully. Now, all students repeat after me. Today we will study 8 new words. 8 new words. Okay, first, save the water. Repeat after me. All students repeat. Save the world. Save the water.
Save the water.
Plant more trees.
Plant more trees.
Protect the nature.
Protect the nature.
Cut down the tree.
Cut down the tree.
Throw the garbage.
Throw the garbage.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Pollute the water.
Pollute the water.
Wash car in the river.
Wash car in the river.
Yes, very good. Where is number 2? Raise your hand. Where is? Yes, you are number 2. Okay, now you are repeat after me. Okay, understand? You are repeat after me. Save the water.
Save the water.
Plant more trees.
Plant more trees.
Protect the nature.
Protect the nature.
Cut down the tree.
Cut down the tree.
Throw the garbage.
Throw the garbage.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Pollute the water.
Pollute the water.
Wash car in the river.
Wash car in the river.
Student, number 2 only say, others listen. You are number 2. Yes. Others listen. Listen. Yes, very good. Say again. You are say. Save the water.
Save the water.
Plant more trees.
Plant more trees.
Protect the nature.
Protect the nature.
Protect the nature.
Protect the nature.
Cut down the tree.
Cut down the tree.
Throw the garbage.
Throw the garbage.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Pollute the water.
Pollute the water.
Wash car in the river.
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 Okay. I will show some pictures. Okay. This is water. Say the water. Okay. Next picture. There are some people. They are planting more trees. Plant more trees. Yes, very good. Next picture is protect the nature.
Protect the nature.
Yes, good. Next word is cut down tree.
Cut down tree.
Yes, very good. Next one, throw the garbage.
Throw the garbage.
Yes. Next, turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Yes, very good. Next one is pollute the water.
Pollute the water.
Yes, good. Last one is wash car in the river.
Wash car in the river.
Yes, very good. Okay, all students read.
Save the water.
Yes. Next one, your team read.
Plant more trees.
Student, your team.
Plant more trees.
Next one is please read.
Protect the water.
Protect the nature.
Protect the nature.
Your team read.
Cut down the tree.
Yes, good. Next, your team.
Throw the garbage.
Throw the garbage.
Throw the garbage.
Okay, next, your team read.
Turn off the light.
Yes, good job. Next, your team.
Pollute the water.
Yes, very good. Last one. All students read.
Wash car in the river.
Yes, very good. Okay, now you write today's new word on the note You're finished?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, did you finish?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now number 3. Raise your hand. Number 3. You are number 3. Where is number 3? Where? Where is number 3? Where? Number 3. You are number 3. Okay. Number 3. Translate in Mongolia. What does mean? Save the water.
I want to translate.
Yes.
Ostana.
Others listen and write in Mongolia. Say again.
Osana.
Yes, very good.
Water.
Plant more trees. Tree is one trees. Plural.
Upload.
Yes, say again.
Water.
Others listen and write. Write. You write? Next, you are protect the nature. Protect the nature. What does mean nature?
I want
Yes.
to
Say again. Others listen and write. Next, cut down the tree. Mud.
I want to read book.
Yes. Others listen and write. Listen and write. Next, throw the garbage. Throw the garbage. Who wants to translate? Yes. Others listen and write. Next word is turn off the light. Number 3. Number 3. Yes. Yes, very good. Next word is pollute the water. Yes. Next, wash car in the river.
What machine was?
Others listen and write. Everyone write. Okay. Did you finish?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. This is today's topic. Today's grammar. Today's grammar is should and shouldn't. When we use should to advise, to give advice someone, you use should and shouldn't. To give advice someone, you use should. Positive sentence. Positive. For Okay. Good. Number 4. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Number 4. Come on. Yes. You choose one word and make sentence very quickly. Choose one word. You make sentence like this. You make a sentence. Make sentence. Do you know make sentence? This is make sentence. Okay. You put one word and make sentence like this. Who can help? Michelle? Make a sentence. Put one word. For example, we should turn off the light. The light. Yes. Like this. Make sentence. This is sentence. You make sentence like this. Yes. Good. Choose one word and make sentence. You should plant, protect the nature. Yes, very good. Like this. Let's put. I shouldn't pollute the water. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Next. We should plant more trees. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Put here. I shouldn't throw the garbage. Yes, very good. Last one, I make sentence. I shouldn't cut down tree. Yes, very good. Okay. When you make sentence, you write subject. After that, you write should and shouldn't. Next, you write verb. These are verbs. Next, object. These are objects.
이름이 알았어.
Yes.
이제 나랑 우리 나랑 내가 소리
Yes, very good. Okay, let's plant trees. Plant tree, what does mean plant tree? Say in Mongolian, who wants to say? Yes, let's plant trees. Okay, number 5. Raise your hand. Yes, come on. Number 5. Open number 5. Okay. You choose one piece of paper and after that you act out. For example, my word is wash car in the river. Now I wrote it. This is the car I wash. Number 6. Guess and make sentence. Guess. Do you know guess? Yes. And make sentence. Yes. Okay. Choose one. If listen carefully. If your word is negative, you put here. If your word is positive, you put here. Yes, very good. Okay, start. Who want to start? Number 6. Hey, number 6. You are 6? Yes, good. Guess. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Turn off the light is positive or negative? Positive. You put. Okay, next sentence. Is it right? Yes. Put here. Next one. Next. Number 6. Yes. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Next sentence. Cut down tree. Negative or positive? Cut down tree is negative or positive? Yes. Negative.
We shouldn't
Yes. We shouldn't.
cut down trees.
Yes. Very good. Please sit down. Next. Again. Say in English. Throw the garbage. Is it right?
Yes.
Next sentence. Make sentence. You shouldn't throw the garbage. Yes. Okay. Number 5. Again. Do again. Choose one. 자, 이제 slowly. Other student, guess. Number 6. Number 6, guess. Right?
Yes.
Plant more trees. Make sentence.
We should plant more trees.
Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Next. What do you think?
Wash car in the river.
No.
I want to say. It's tree.
It's tree. This is tree.
Wash car in the river.
No. Say in English. Who want to help? Who want to help? Yes, picture. Please help. Protect the nature. Is it right, Michelle?
Yes.
Yes. Make sentence. Please make sentence.
I should protect the nature.
I should protect the nature. Is it negative or positive?
Sorry? Positive.
Positive. Yes, very good. Next student. Pollute the water. Is it right? Yes, very good. Next sentence. You should or shouldn't?
You shouldn't pollute the water.
You shouldn't pollute the water. Is it right? Yes, very good.
I want to
Ishmael, please.
wash car in the river.
Right?
Yes.
Yes. Make sentence.
You shouldn't wash car in the river.
You shouldn't wash car in the river. Is it right? Yes. Next.
I want to
Save the water. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Make sentence.
You should save the water.
You should save the water. Yes, very good. Okay, you are very good students. Okay, for homework, each student make 5 sentences using should and shouldn't. Yes, write homework. Make 5 sentences using should and shouldn't. Each student. Okay, today's lesson is finished.
Yes.